Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Big Bang Chemistry, a complete solution of the chemistry. In the series of video lecture of molecular symmetry, today again we are going to discuss the molecular symmetry operation, and in this video we will learn that how to calculate the total number of equivalent operation about the given proper axis of rotation. So today videos again we are taking the same example of Ab3L0 type of molecule whose structure is trigonal planar. Now before calculating the total number of equivalent operation about a given proper axis of rotation, we must know that in a given molecule how many proper axis of rotations are present. So in Ab3L0 type molecule, there are two different type of proper axis of rotations are present. One is C2. So in this molecule 3 C2 are present, which is visible like that, and I mark in this way, and one C3 axis of rotation is present. Now this C3 axis of rotation is perpendicular to the what molecular plane. To understand the meaning of presence of this C3 proper axis of rotation, I am taking the example of one 3D structure. Now in this 3D structure, in my previous video also, I already explained that how this C3 and C2 axis are present. But it is very difficult to visualize the molecular plane in this structure. So to understand the concept of molecular plane, let's see this 3D structure. In this 3D structure, easily you can understand where is the molecular plane. To understand it, I am going to draw the one molecular plane. Please observe it. Right. So when you will observe this shaded area, right, with the pink color, then this full area is what? The plane of the molecule. Now this C3 axis is perpendicular to this plane, and passing through the central atom A. This is what central atom A, right? So in this structure, this C3 which is present here right now, this C3 is what perpendicular to this molecular plane. So in this molecule, this shaded area is what this plane, and this solid yellow color is what central atom, and this C3 is nothing, this is the C3, right, which is perpendicular to the what central atom. So now you can easily understand and you are able to easily visualize the presence of C3 axis of rotation in this type of molecule. So now it is clear that in this molecule two different type of proper axis of rotations are present. One is C2, one is C3. Now with respect to the previous video, we know that about each and every proper axis of rotation there is about some certain number of equivalent operations. So how to calculate the number of equivalent operations about a given proper axis of rotation? So we know the one formula, that number of equivalent operation is equal to what? N minus 1. What is n? N is what? Order of axis, right? So let's suppose about this C3 axis of rotation, when we rotate this molecule by 120 degree, then total number of equivalent operation about this C3 is what? X1, right? And about C2, meaning is what? Rotation by 180 degree. So about this all three C2 axis, when we rotate this molecule by 180 degree, then we will get some number of equivalent operations, right? So let's suppose about this C2 axis, total number of equivalent operations are X2, right? So now in this molecule, what is the total number of equivalent operation about all possible proper axis of rotation will be what? X1 plus X2. We are going to calculate the total number of equivalent operation in a given molecule about the all possible proper axis of rotation. So first we will check theoretically, then we will check through the what formula also. So how we will first represent the C2 operation or C2 axis? How to write this C2 axis? If we want to explain in words, then how we will explain the C2 axis in words? For this, in Ab3L0 type molecule, three C2 axes are present which are passing through each AB atom and intersecting the line joining other two B atoms and interchanging its position other two B atoms with each other. Now see that this is the one C2 axis which is including the A and B atom, one of the A and B atom, a rest of the B atoms, and bisecting the line joining this line joining the B atoms, right? And on performing the operation C2 operation about this axis, these B atoms will interchange its position. So for our understanding, let mark it first. This is what B1, B2, B3. Now first perform this C2 operation first time. So this is C2 first time. So what will happen? This B3 position will not change because C2 axis containing B atom and A atom. So A and B3 position will not change. So what will change? B1 will change its position with B2 and B2 will change its position with B1. So what is the new configuration of this molecule after performing this C2 operation in the first structure? So now what will happen? Here B1 will come, right? And here B2 will come, B3 will be as it is. Again perform this C2 rotation, right, and C2 operation about the same molecule, about the same axis second time, right? So again rotation at 180 degree. When you will perform this rotation, then what will happen? This B2 again interchange its position with B1 and B1 again interchange its position with B2. So what is the new position of B1? B1 will be here, B2 will be here, B3 will be here. So now check structure number second, structure number third. So structure number first and third are identical, but structure number second is what? Equivalent to the what? First. So now how many equivalent operation is required for getting the one equivalent structure? So one C2 operation we are doing, right? So how many equivalent operation we did? So number of equivalent operation about C2 axis, about one C2 axis is equal to what? 1. So now in this molecule how many C2 axes are there? 3 C2 axes are there, right? So one equivalent operation about this axis, one equivalent operation about this axis, one equivalent operation about this axis. So total equivalent operation about C2, total equivalent operation about C2, 3 C2 is equal to what? 3 into 1 is equal to what? 3, right? Now we check, we assume that x2 is what? C2, number of equivalent operation about C2. So x2 is equal to what? 3, right? Same thing we can do with the help of formula also, right? So what we know, that number of equivalent operation is equal to what? N minus 1. N is what? Order of axis. So for C2, what is the value of n? N is equal to 2. So number of equivalent operation about one C2 axis. This is what? About one C2 axis is equal to what? 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So total number of equivalent operation about 3 C2 axis will be what? 3 into 1 is equal to 3. Again this is x2, right? So this is the what? Through formula, this is what? Through operations, right? Now check the C3 operation. So now before performing the C3 operation, right, how you will represent the C2 axis on paper, right? So how will you represent it? AB3L0 type molecule contains one C3 axis or one C3 proper axis of rotation which is passing through A atom and perpendicular to the plane of molecule or molecular plane, or you can say that triangular plane, and on performing C3 operation all three B atoms will interchange its position, right? So now this is what your C3 axis, this is what B atoms, right? Now mark it B1, B2, B3. Now perform this C3 operation first time, C3 first time. Rotate this molecule at 120 degree. So what will happen now? We did the same type of discussion for AB3L0 type of molecule. For understanding the meaning of equivalent operation, B1 will interchange its position with B2, B2 with B3, B3 with B1. So what is the new position of B atoms? What is the new position of B atoms? So here who will come? B1 will come, here B2 will come, here B3 will come. Again perform the one more C3 operation second time about the same axis C3 in the same molecule. This is structure 1, this is structure second, this is structure 1. Now after performing the C3 operation second time, what will happen? Again all three B atoms will interchange its position in the same way. So after this interchange, what is the new position of all the atoms? This is the B3, right? This is the B1, this is what? B2, right? Now again perform one more C3 operation in this structure number 3. So this is C3 rotation by 120 degree. So this is C3 third times. So now check that what will happen now. This B2 will interchange its position with 3, B3 will interchange its position with B1, B1 will interchange its position with B2. So what is the new position now? B1, B2 and B3, right? So structure number 4 and 1, these are the identical. So structure 2 and 3 are equivalent structure with respect to what? First structure. So number of equivalent operation about C2, sorry, about C3 is what 2, right? This is what theoretically. Now formula, if you will use the formula is equal to what? Number of equivalent operation about a proper axis of rotation is equal to what? N minus 1. For C3 axis, n value is what? 3. Number of equivalent operation will be what? 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This is what? X1 value, right? So now in a molecule there are many C3 axis of rotation. There may be what? More than one C3, more than one C2, more than one C4, more than one C5. So for the calculation of total number of equivalent operation, we should be very careful that how many total axis of rotations are present in the given molecule. So now what is the total equivalent operation present in AB3L0 type molecule, right? So meaning is that in this molecule, if you want to get the total number of equivalent operation, so is equal to what? Number of equivalent operation about 3C2 plus number of equivalent operation about 1C3. So is equal to what? 3 plus 2, right? Total 5. So what is the total number of equivalent operation about proper axis of rotation in AB3L0 type molecule was 5. So this was the detailed explanation of the number of equivalent operations. Thank you very much. In next video we are going to discuss the again calculation of number of equivalent operations, and we will perform the what? Some more proper axis of rotation in AB4 square planar molecule and then tetrahedral molecule. So if you like my work, please like, share and comment in comment section that which molecules symmetry operation you want. So accordingly I will try to make a video on that one also, right? And subscribe my channel.